Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to reapply for a Bluevine credit line after rejection. Now, if your Bluevine credit line application was declined, don't worry, you can improve your profile and try again. Here's how to reapply. First, log into your Bluevine account to review the rejection notice. Bluevine often provides a reason such as insufficient revenue, low credit score, or limited business history. Next, address the issue. For example, you can increase business revenue, you can also reduce outstanding debts, or just correct errors on your credit reports, and they're going to help you to improve your chances. Next, to update your financial documents, be sure to prepare recent bank statements, tax returns, or profit and loss reports that reflect stronger performance. Then wait at least 30 days before reapplying, unless of course Bluevine specifies otherwise. Go back to bluevine.com and start a new credit line application. Enter updated business and personal details, upload your improved financial documents, and resubmit. Be sure to monitor your email from Bluevine's decision. With better data, your chances of approval increases significantly. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.